How to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. For that, first of all, what you need to do is launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you have logged into your account. From there, on the top left, you will see your profile icon. Simply hit on that. From there, on the top right, you will see setting gear icon. Tap on it. Now, scroll down to the last. There, you will see option of my data. Simply hit on that. Now, here you will see download available data. From here, you need to select the download option and all of your chat history will also be downloaded with that blocked person as well. So in this way, you can see your chats. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.